Wow. Whew. That's the soundtrack of America, people. That is the soundtrack of America. The hardest part is taking the stock exhaust off. Mine was actually quite rusty, but this part, and there's one hanger there, there's one on the other side, and there's one right there. Let me get your button. Good luck taking those off, because it's not going to be easy. I've taken the bolt off of the other one. They were so rusted they just snapped. But there's a little bit of space left between the exhaust and the pipe on both sides. So let's see how it sounds. It's kind of like a semi muffler delete. Loud one. Well guys, after multiple attempts of trying to take the stock exhaust off, it just wasn't helping, and it was hard. So I decided to bring it to a local shop here. They know what they're doing. They've got lift, they've got proper equipment. I got the clamps to go loose, and which is why there's a little bit of gap between the actual stock muffler and the piping coming back. That's why you hear a little bit of like a muffler delete sound. But yeah, he's gonna take these off and put the MAGNAFLOWs in. They took the stock one off, put the MAGNAFLOWs on. I didn't get a chance to get a sound clip, but give me a minute, I'll give you guys a sound clip. So excited. Ooh, nice. Woohoo. Just got the MAGNAFLOW Race Competition Series axlebacks put in, and we're excited. It's amazing how much more fun the car is to drive. It's really amazing. Wow. I'm liking this, man. It's definitely more interactive, more fun to drive the car. For some reason, I feel like the car's gotten faster. Maybe because now there's a free flow. These are kind of like a straight pipe exhaust muffler delete kind of a setup, but you know, it could just be me.